Recently, I've been reading a very interesting book that explains the difference between real lean and fake lean. In summary, we have fake lean when senior management thinks that lean is just a set of tools to use to fix some metrics. Real lean, on the other hand, exists when there is a management system that consistently embraces the entire organization. Real lean is based on two principles: continuous improvement and respect for people. Fake lean only includes one of the two principles, continuous improvement. The book that inspired this video is Better Thinking, Better Results by Bob Emiliani. It tells in great detail the lean transformation of WireMold when it was led by Art Byan. You can find links for further reading in the description. Emiliani's book has an entire chapter dedicated to fake lean. In the beginning of this chapter, it explains how you can recognize fake lean when the principles are only used in operations and other parts of the company remain batch and queue. One example is if the relationship with customers and suppliers remains batch and queue. Dan Davis suggests 9 symptoms to watch out for to identify if you are dealing with fake lean in his posts and interviews. 1. Tools to use the tools. Using lean tools without solving business issues can be a dangerous trap. Tools should only be used to serve the customer better, and it is important to avoid the fake lean trap of using tools just because a corporate assessment says so. 2. Appearance without information. Real lean focuses on the culture shift, understanding the why, and having pride in the company by serving the customer with a continuous improvement mindset. In a real lean company, the workplace is always in tour-ready state, and the substance comes with culture shift, not just the appearance of being lean. 3. Boards with stale information. Metric boards should be easy to read, and everyone should understand why the metric is being tracked. Visual boards should have standard work and the data should be relevant, and it is essential to update the board and standard work to avoid falling into the fake lean trap. 4. Training without practice. Lean is a hands-on sport that requires practice and the creation of playgrounds or sandboxes that allow people to test new concepts. Great organizations provide time for team members to practice what they have learned and provide a coach to give feedback to facilitate faster learning and adoption. 5. Complicated metrics board. Metric boards should be easy to read and understand, with a clear target and actions to be taken when a miss occurs. It is important to keep the metric boards simple and effective to avoid the fake lean trap. 6. Kaizen without maintenance. Kaizens should take the process to the next level to better serve the customer, and improvements need to be maintained like cars. It is essential to build time for maintenance and checks into the operating system and be ready to adjust quickly as conditions change to avoid the fake lean trap. 7. Unfollowed standard work. Standard work is critical to lean, and it should include tact time, standard work sequence, and standard work in process. People should be trained to understand these 3 elements and challenge the process and improve it daily to avoid falling into the fake lean trap. 8. Visuals without meanings. Visual management should have an intent and purpose, and not all visuals can be copied and pasted. It is important to create a transparent work environment where everyone sees, everyone knows, and everyone understands to facilitate a great process and avoid the fake lean trap. 9. Change without culture. Change for the sake of changing can be a dangerous trap, and it is important to address the culture when making the change. Improvements should be made to build the team, and controls should be put in place to ensure that changes are sustained to avoid the fake lean trap of change without culture. Thank you for watching this video on Real Lean vs Fake Lean. I hope you found it informative and useful. Remember, lean is not just about using tools or looking lean, it's about serving the customer better through continuous improvement and respecting people. If you want to learn more about lean and how to avoid the fake lean trap, please check out the links in the description for further reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on lean and other related topics.